Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing and signing in immediately. Open Chrome and add the Quillbot extension. Once added, pin the icon to your toolbar so it's always visible. You'll be prompted to sign in, use your account, or create one now. After sign in, grant the minimal permissions the extension asks for. Then navigate to any text area or open a sample document and click the Quillbot icon. This first click confirms installation and gets you ready for paraphrasing. You now focus on how to get the best output. Select the text you want to change or paste it into the extension editor. Once done, pick a mode based on your goal: fluency for polish, creative for variety, or formal for professional tone. Make sure to adjust synonym frequency and the shorten/expand slider to control wording density. You should scan suggested rewrites, compare alternatives, and use the compare button. When satisfied, accept the version that preserves your meaning and tone. You finish by applying the chosen rewrite and either copy it to your clipboard or insert it back into the original field. If you work in Docs or Gmail, use the extension's integration button or keyboard shortcut to speed insertion. Make sure to proofread for context and names that might change. If Quillbot stops responding, reload Chrome, clear the browser cache, or reauthorize the extension. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes permission or session issues and gets you back to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.